This is how you view an image in one table in AirTable, even if that image is coming from a different table. Both of these tables have an ID column that is a formula of record ID. This one is image ID, this one is data ID. This is our data table, and so it has notes, it has things in it that are non-images. We don't want to put the images here, we want them in their own table. So in this images table, we'll create a new field, which is an attachment field, and we'll call it our image. And as an example, let's upload an image into this field. Now this image is viewable from the images, from the image column, but not from the data table. Now let's make it viewable from the data table. Create a new column in the data table and make it of type link to another record. Select the images table. I'm going to turn off allow linking to multiple records, and I'll click create field. It wants me to select a lookup field, and I click image and add a field. Now, what is the thing that connects these two? It is the ID of the image. So I'm going to take the image ID, go back to data, and paste it in the images field, and the image shows up from the other table. If I go back to this image ID for a record that has no images and I paste it on the next line, I get no result over here. But if I add an image, now I have an image here, and when I go back to the data, I have that image in my other view. So that is how you view images in an Airtable cell, even if the image comes from another table.